Okay, so we want to make sure we can sense when the character has moved to the right hand side of the screen at a particular point to reverse the motion and come back to the left hand side of the screen. So we need to ask some if questions. In fact, we're going to ask two if questions. First thing we're going to do is set up an expression that looks at whether the character has got to a value that's greater or less than the scene width minus a few pixels. So I'm going to just grab that as well. I'm going to go to scene, go to world, grab the scene width. And I'm going to put in a value of 60. The reason I'm doing that is sometimes that go right to the edge of the screen, sometimes Stencil doesn't quite pick that up. So we're asking about the position of the actor, so we go to actor and position, and we're looking at the X position of the actor, and we pop that in, and we pop that into our if statement. So we're saying if the X position of the actor, in this case the alien, is greater than or equal to scene width minus 60, then something's going to happen. One of the things we want to do is to be able to reverse the motion, so we want to change the value of the variable move right from true to false. So I select that and set move right to false. We want to do that if move right is true. So go back to our variables, and we ask the question if move right is true, and set it to false. I'm going to pop that inside that if construction, and that inside our program, and we'll test. So our character moves to the right, hits a point 60 pixels from the right of the screen, and comes left, but at the moment we haven't got any programming to stop it going off the left hand side. So I've created a similar if construction, looking at the X position of the actor. If it's less than this time or equal to 60 pixels, which is 60 pixels away from the left hand side of the screen, and if the value of move right is false, I've asked that in a negative question here, then we set move right to true again, and it will move back in the opposite direction, because that is being tested here. So I'm just going to paste that also into our program and test. So it moves to the right, hits a point 60 pixels away from the right hand side and moves to the left. It's 0.60 pixels away from the left hand side and moves back right, and it will keep doing that forever.